Hi friends, welcome back. Today's recipe is mint chicken. First, take chicken. Now marinate with garlic, dhania powder, jeera powder, red chili powder, haldi, and garam masala. Now mix it well and keep aside for 10 minutes. Pick a mixie. Add green coriander, handful of mint leaf, ginger, garlic, green chili, tomato, and salt. Now make a paste. Heat oil. Add jeera. Add bay leaf and chopped onion. Now saute it for 1 minute. Add chicken and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add black pepper and salt. Now cover it and cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add mint paste. And water. Now cook for another 5 minutes. Juicy and tasty. And very simple to cook. Subscribe to our channel Evening Curry. Like, comment and share our videos. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye bye. See you again with a new recipe.